Welcome to the Applying Filters within Excel to Sort Data video. For the purpose of this video, the data used is simulated data only. To keep up to date with our latest videos, hit the subscribe button and select all notifications. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to view and sort the polar data in a single spreadsheet using filters in Excel 2013 and 2016. In a previous video, we demonstrated how to use the patient list to export, format, and print in Excel. When the patient list opens in the Excel spreadsheet, you will notice a yellow banner across the top of the screen with the words Enable Editing. Select this to edit the spreadsheet. The filters function will be enabled along the top of each column. These are displayed as downward pointing arrows to the right of each cell in the top row. If filters are not present on your spreadsheet, the following steps will enable you to access this function. Click into any cell in row 1 heading. Then click the Sort and Filter icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Filter. Each cell in the top row will now have a downward pointing arrow on its right-hand side. Hovering the mouse on the downward pointing arrow will give you the name of the heading of the column and its filter selection. Clicking the downwards pointing arrow will display a menu giving you filtering and sorting options. Be aware that when applying sort filter options to that column, all the information in each row will move or hide as one. As an example, we will filter the names column alphabetically. Click the downward pointing arrow to the right of the surname heading. From the drop-down menu, select Sort A to Z. The patient surnames will now be in alphabetical order, starting from A at the top to Z at the bottom. Note that the patient's corresponding details across the other columns have also moved and remain in line with their corresponding name. You will now notice a sort arrow next to the downward pointing arrow indicating the direction of the sort. We will now apply a filter to the Most Seen Clinicians heading by clicking its downward pointing arrow on the right. From the menu, untick the Select All box and tick Name of the required clinician or clinicians and click OK. Now only rows being displayed are those with selected clinician name or names in the Most Seen Clinician column. You will now notice a sort arrow next to the downward pointing arrow indicating a filter has been applied to that column. Note: if you want to filter your data by columns but you don't have column headers, you will need to insert a new row at the top of the spreadsheet and name each of your columns before applying any filters. Right-click on the top row of the spreadsheet and select Insert ... From the Insert table, select Entire Row and click OK. Now add your heading names and apply your sort and filter options as we have described earlier. If you would like to download the accompanying instructions, navigate to our EMPHN Polar webpage at emphn.org.au/polar and select the document Polar Applying Excel Filters to Columns in Excel PDF. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to the EMPHN YouTube channel and give the video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.